Hey there, friends of YouTube. I'm going to show you a few bits and bobs I got from my local scrapyard. I've got quite a few motors, well, 3 motors. Here we are. I'm a bit struggling for space at the minute because I'm having a clear out and getting ready for another shed, which I'm going to be extending onto this one to give me a good, at least 8, 12, 14, a good 14 feet long shed, which will be a hell of a lot better than having 8. So anyway, let's get on to these motors. This is a DC motor, 12 volts. This is a DC motor, which I believe it's about 7.5 volts, but I'll tell you something, it's got some torque on it. It really has got some torque. The ground is neutral, well, neutral, AC. The ground is negative, and that point there is positive. And this one has got, there was a casing on there, I've took it off because I was just looking at it. But this is basically, it's a big servo motor, and this bit here, it looks like a motor, it runs like a motor, but it doesn't. It's basically to detect the RPM and the volts and God knows what other bits and bobs that it tests. But this has got quite a bit of torque on it as well. So anyway, that's the front of it, just there. Set that one, and going on to the AC motor, which is 250 volts, 240 volts. This is in pretty good, neat order. There's the front of it just there. I've cleaned it up. It was quite a bit of a mess when I got it, but I've cleaned it up and give the blades a spray, because you know the cooling blades at the back, cooling fan at the back, it was dingy, it was horrible. So I took this off and cleaned it all up and sprayed it and God knows what. But I can start this one up for you. I like the start up on this. Can you hear that clicking? That's to start the capacitor off. And then when it gets to a certain RPM, the disc on it just opens out like that and disables the capacitor when it's onto its run cycle. So going off that, off the motors, what I've got myself, sorry. I'll show I've got another oil ignition starter, which is outside on my, which I've had on my Tesla coil. So I've got 2 the same now. Here we are, 2 exactly the same. 8 kV, 8 kV, 20 milliamp, 20 milliamp. So that's what I found. And there you go. That's what I got from the local scrapyard this week. And just another update to let you know. So thanks for watching, guys. Look after yourselves, and we'll speak again.